Hi, I'm Sandy Genovese and welcome to the Ellison Education video series. Put on your holiday hat because today we're going to make angel ornaments. If you look here, you can see it's a dimensional angel, which is why I think it's perfect to turn it into an ornament. When we get to embellishing it, I'm going to trap a little piece of cord in here that will make it really easy to hang and turn it from just a 3D angel into an angel ornament. Here you can see the die, and it cuts it flat, and then we're going to assemble it. But before assembling, it actually needs to get decorated, and it's easiest to do while it's flat. So here is the angel, and I'm going to take, and I've just gone ahead with gold, and I've cut out only the portion where it actually includes the halo. And so with scissors, I'm trimming off the halo portion. You don't have to cut the whole shape and waste all that gold paper. Then I'll go ahead and place adhesive on the back. And then before I place this over the die, I need to trap my cord. So I have just about a 6-inch length of cord, and I'm going to place it like so. In fact, you know what? I think I'll put a little bit of adhesive to hold it in place. Go ahead, position it like so. And then take the gold, place it right over the top, trap that inside. I'm going to narrow this a little so it has more area to stick. And that's going to turn it into an ornament. Now, if you look at mine, I decorated the white portion, the wings in white, on both the front and the back. If you only want to do one, only want the front to be in white, just to save time, you need, oddly enough, to turn it over and then go ahead and take, I'm going to place adhesive on the back of the wings that I've also trimmed. All of these parts are cut with the same die. You know they're always going to align perfectly. At this point then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add adhesive on the side tab because you want to do it while it's flat. And then notice that there are slits in the wings. That's where I'm going to interlock them. So I'm going to bring these two around and take and interlock the slits of the angel wings, and then go ahead and take this tab that has adhesive and place it underneath. I can use the perforation as a guide to see right where I want to line that up. So you have a nice seam on the back. Now you can see why I decorated the back side with the white wings. There you have it. So if you'd like a heavenly project, just try making angel ornaments.